Okay, y'all. Um, Here is part two. I am about to apply the clear coat. I already painted them. That part got cut off the live. I'm trying to see how I could turn my camera around. Let me see if it say flip camera or something. This is only my second live video. Nope, I can't tell. I can't flip it. So what I'm gonna do? Here is the tables. That's the Minnesota Vikings one. That's just the beginning. That is the two Georgia Bulldog tables right there. I just painted the legs. I live in Florida, and it actually got cold here. So when it got cold, I guess the cold weather is stopping it from the paint from curing like it should. But I'm not gonna take them in the house. At least I don't want to take them in the house, because if I take them in there, the paint will probably, dry like it's supposed to. But the red, I did it yesterday before it got dark outside, and it's still sticky. The red is. And the black is good, and the purple one is perfectly fine. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm trying to see, y'all, how I could flip the camera. I don't know if I can flip the camera, but I'm just gonna prop my phone up then, and y'all will be able to see. All I'm gonna do is apply the clear coat right now. So for me, this is like step 3. Step 1 was sanding it. Step 2 was painting it and putting the clear coat. So I painted it yesterday. And I'm gonna put a layer of clear coat just on the top of the table, on both tables, just the top. And then I'm gonna put probably 2 coats of clear coat on the top of the table. Many people do their tables different ways. This is the way I do mine, and they turn out perfectly fantastic. So I'm gonna put 1 coat of clear coat on now. And you wanna make sure you put it on evenly. And this is not to make it shine or anything. It's gonna shine, but that's not what this is for. This is actually for when I apply the image, which is permanent vinyl. I have to layer it. But depending on what transfer tape you use, transfer film, if it's too sticky, it'll peel up the paint. So the best thing to use is contact paper. Like you get it at Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Family Dollar. You can get the contact paper from there to put on put your permanent vinyl on, and then use the contact paper just like transfer tape. But I know my very first time doing the tables, I didn't use any. I used regular transfer tape, and it peeled a whole chunk of paint off the table. So I had to sand that table all the way down and start all over. And so now I learned my lesson. So if I seal the paint with the clear coat, and I've used the same paint and same brand of clear coat right here. So if I seal it, when I seal the table and seal the paint, it makes it easier when I put the vinyl on, the HTV vinyl. I won't be able to do that today. I'll probably do that tomorrow, but I still haven't even cut the designs yet for it. I got the vinyl laid out for it, but I just haven't cut it yet. So right now I'm just clear coating. Turn y'all this way. And when I sanded it, all I did was sand it to get that clear coat to come on the tables off when they make them. And y'all, I'm doing this in the garage. The smell is horrible. Everything in my garage gets coated with whatever color spray paint I use. I hate when that happens, but this is my workshop for tables. And I'll let y'all see it after I spray them. The way I do it is not the only way to do it, but this is the way that I do it. And when you spray your clear coat, you want to make sure you have the entire top of the table coated in the clear coat. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see it. These are for a customer. So that is my step 2 process. Paint and clear coat. So now before I go to bed, I'll come out here and put a second layer of clear coat on it. And then tomorrow I'll start doing the putting the designs on it. 2 of your friends are live. Invite them to go live. See if y'all had any questions. But yeah, this is the tables. That's gonna be Minnesota Vikings, and those 2 is Georgia Bulldogs. These is for 2 orders. That's all for part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. Y'all, bear with me with this TikTok live stuff. This is only my second live video.